Thanks for joining Earth Radio. Today we've got Lark Davis checking out some historical patterns and expressing some major bullish news for Bitcoin. If you like our summary videos, check out the Earth experiment at earth.io.
Now let's get into some of that news that's making me just so gosh darn bullish these days. So a recent survey of corporate chief financial officers has revealed some very interesting data. 5% of CFOs are planning to buy Bitcoin this year. Now 5% may not sound like a crazy number, but that number was 0% at this time last year. And that 5% number represents potentially thousands of corporations, which is crazy. Remember, US corporations are sitting on $4 trillion in cash. Globally, that number is around $10 trillion sitting in corporate treasuries, slowly melting away. Even a few percent of that money going into Bitcoin could have a dramatic effect on the price. But what is even more interesting from this report is that a full 70% of CFOs are waiting to watch what other companies are doing, which means that they're going to sit, they're going to wait, and then they're going to FOMO super freaking hard as the price starts to spike, and they watch that other 5% of the CFOs who are willing to jump into the water now, buying up Bitcoin and gaining from those Bitcoin plays. Basically, 70% of the CFOs said that they want more social proofing before they feel comfortable getting in the water. Well, more social proofing is exactly what they're getting. 2021 is the year of crypto corporate FOMO. Now, this news comes at the same time that the chief investment officer at BlackRock has said that they are now officially dabbling in cryptocurrencies. Sadly, that's about all they've told us up to this point. What cryptocurrencies, how much Bitcoin, whatever it might be. But it's massive news, nevertheless, for the world's largest asset manager, which has $8.6 trillion worth of assets under management. Now, if only a tiny little 1%, just 1% of their assets ended up in Bitcoin, that would be $86 freaking billion. That's 50 times more than what Tesla invested. That's crazy. That's crazy. Even if they did just a tiny little 0.1% allocation, that would be 8.6 billion, which would be 7.1 billion more than Tesla invested. Again, crazy stuff here. These are serious money players entering the game who have near infinite reserves of cash at their disposal. This changes the entire dynamics of the market and will make the long-term Bitcoin price floor much, much higher than the current price of Bitcoin. All these guys buying Bitcoin, the FOMO's happening, the FOMO's here. It's literally like right before our eyes, and it's only going to get crazier. This is just the beginning. And speaking of crazy, remember that story from MicroStrategy that they're going to be selling $600 million worth of C notes to raise money to buy some more Bitcoin? Yeah, they're not going to do that anymore, guys. They're not going to buy $600 million worth of Bitcoin. They're actually now going to raise $900 million and put that into Bitcoin. Savage. Savage, Michael Saylor. That's crazy, man. That's crazy.